going on, guys? Hope you guys had a good week. This video is a little out of schedule because I am just too excited about this. I have to show you guys this. So I just got home from work, just put a clean shirt on, and I got something today that talk about, one, keeping it secret, and two, so anyway, what I got my hands on today is the new Insight CTS 3. So I'm stupid excited about this right now because these things just came out, and this is the only one in town. I didn't even know we were getting them, but here it is. So I'm gonna go through this. First, we're gonna unbox this thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's in the box, go through all that fun stuff, and then we're gonna get it installed tonight because I can't wait. I just can't do it. So yeah, let's get this thing open. Let's see what's inside. All right, guys, super excited about this. I got so excited I took the plastic off of it already. So the Edge Insight CTS 3, this is their latest monitor, latest and greatest, and it sure is supposed to be great. So here is what it should look like, and I'm just, like I said before, just beyond myself excited about getting in this box. So got a nice little sleeve that comes off, and oops, sits there. Okay. And now get into the box. So first of all, when you open the box, you're gonna see your information. Okay, you got their sticker, their nice thick sticker. You have a registration deal or customer service note, your quick install guide, which is pretty helpful for quick setup, and then I would assume your actual user manual. I probably will look to that later, but right now I'm too excited to even think about that. So now the best part. So in the box, let's see, open the box, this is what you see. You have your CTS 3 monitor, and this thing looks awesome. So the screen's obviously different. It's a whole new unit. It's super light. I did not expect it to be this light. Wow. I'm actually really excited to get this plugged in, guys. So I'm gonna set that down, and what else we have? This is, let's see, a really nice piece of foam. Take this off, and before you forget, before you say you didn't get a mount with yours, check this box. This is where they keep the mount. Okay, so that's where you want to get the mount from. What else? We have the data cable for the CTS 3, and mind you guys, see this right here? If you have a CTS 2, I'm not sure about the normal CTS 1, I guess I'm gonna call it, but the standard CTS, but the CTS 2 uses the EAS attachments. This is the same exact cable, same exact plug. This will run the EAS attachments. So if you already have a CTS 2 like I had, I ran a CTS 2 for at least 4 years. I have an EAS EGT gauge, which is already installed in the truck. This is going to plug right in and work with the monitor. Also in the box you get your cable if you want to plug it in the computer to update it, or I would assume you could add custom backgrounds. Again, I won't really know that for sure, but I'm almost positive you can. And then zip ties. Keep it clean, guys. When you install, keep it clean. So, alrighty guys, as you can tell, a couple minutes has gone by. I got so excited about this, and the install was actually kind of a boring process. I didn't figure you guys needed to see it. So where we're at now, let me get rid of this towel. We got our monitor in, this HDMI cable, it runs down. I ran it through there, pulled this panel off, got it down there real nice. The only other thing is you plug it in your OBD port, okay, and that little block I showed you earlier when we were unboxing it. If you have run the CTS 2, which the CTS 2 already utilizes the EAS features, right? If you have that, you plug your EAS extension into that and you're done. So it's super simple install. Anybody could do it. I know you can, because I did. But I wanted to bring you out here and show you. We already went through the initial setup. That's done. It wasn't super exciting. Just click a few buttons, it goes through and it detects itself. There's no more choosing Chevy, Dodge, Ford. It does that for you. So what I'm showing you now is how. So I'm not gonna start the truck right now, but I will in a minute to show you guys this. Turn the key on. The first difference you're gonna see is the CTS 2 did or would come on when you turn the key on. This one does not. So this one, if you wanted to fire this up and turn the monitor on, you'd turn your key on like we did, and then you just touch the screen. Here she comes, right? So as you can see, gauges are already up super fast. It's ridiculous. I'd already gone through and did a basic setup on my screen. So I have boost here, engine temp here, coolant temp, fuel rail pressure, EGT. This is my EAS EGT probe. Load, percent grade, which I don't know if that needs calibrated or what, but it's there. Just kind of filling the spot right now. Barometric pressure, basically the same. I might keep it there, might not. I'm sea level, so 14.7 is what I'm gonna get. And battery voltage, engine speed, vehicle speed. Anyway, that's the basic setup I have. So as you guys can see, I mean, the big thing that I like about this, and when I had the CTS 2, I had a horrible time driving with it at night because the LCD screen was so bright. The backlight, everything was just so bright and in your face. This one is not. I can tell you that right now. This screen is awesome. This is going to be a really good one to drive at night. And it's got an ambient light sensors and all that fun stuff. And I actually need to go through that booklet that we saw earlier. To make sure I have all the features nailed down and figured out. I think periodically, if you guys subscribe and you're interested about this, I will be going through different features like how to customize, how to change your PIDs, just basically anything you guys have questions about. I will go through and I will show you how to do it. These things are very user friendly, and just the customization on these compared to the CTS 2 is awesome. The one thing I am going to show you tonight, and I feel like I need to do this, is I'm going to try to figure out the Wi-Fi settings. So this thing here, swipe up, go to settings. The cool thing about this one here is it does have Wi-Fi, right? So let's see if we can't find it. Wi-Fi setup right there. So email. There she be. Save that. For some reason, do that. Getting Wi-Fi information. There it would be. Let's see. You guys don't need to know my Wi-Fi password. I'm curious because I might not even know my Wi-Fi password. Let's see if it does it. Hey, look at that. We are connected. Now, obviously, we have a lot of features on this thing. Let's go ahead and check for updates since we're connected to Wi-Fi. We are up to date. Look at all those settings. Okay, so that's one thing you can do. I'm sure I will do a separate video just for that, so you guys know if you guys are having trouble, that's how you do it. There's one more amazing thing I want to show you guys before we're done here. And oh man, I gotta stop saying that things are my favorite feature, because as of right now, they're all my favorite. Like, you would think I hadn't run a CTS 2 for 4 years, right? By how excited I am about this thing, but it is such a good unit, man. I gotta say, if pick it up if you're in that position. So we are gonna turn the key off, open the door, get in the truck to go to sleep completely. Everything's dead, and there's your monitor, right? So here's the exciting part. We're gonna start the truck. Watch how fast these gauges come up. They're advertised at 2 seconds. And okay, nothing, right? It doesn't come on unless you touch screen, or you turn the key. So boom, get loading gauges, and done. What more do you want? That literally, I mean, don't tear me up for this and tell me I got something wrong, but that thing literally came up before my oil pressure. My oil pressure was still climbing when that thing was running. The thing's nuts. And look at the refresh rate. If you have a CTS 2, you would know it does not refresh this fast. It is not this responsive. So, so far, the thing's nuts. I gotta say, awesome. Good job, Edge. So, if you guys have any questions about this monitor, have any questions about how to do certain things, changing colors, customizations, changing PIDs, anything at all, please don't be afraid to ask questions in the comments below. And like I said before, I want to try to throw out a few videos for you guys about how to do these features, how to utilize these features. And there's also different features in this monitor that I hope work better than the CTS 2, at least for me. I need to look in the book about calibrations and see if that needs done, but I had problems in the past with my CTS 2 with like the performance testing and whatnot. But I think we're gonna play with that on this, but we'll see. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. You know, all the normal stuff. I'm not gonna hassle you because I know everybody else on the internet does, but if you feel so inclined, go ahead and do it. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you so much for everything.